the Air Customs Intelligence Unit on Wednesday morning apprehended a international passenger coming from Dubai in the morning on basis of suspicion and of course a little bit of background work. That passenger chose to walk the green channel and when asked chose not to declare anything. When we asked him specifically whether he was carrying any contraband, he said no. Then on basis of suspicion, the officers carried out a personal search, during the course of which it was found that he had wrapped two cases in brown paper around his legs. The packets were covered with a sellotape and wrapped around his legs, and the trouser was covering it. When we removed the packet, it was found it contained some sort of a paste. Further examination of that packet, it was found that it contained some amount of gold, primarily, superficially. Then, after examining it, it was found that the total consignment of gold was around 825 grams that was extracted from that paste, basically. So now this is something new that has come out, and the value of that gold is around 23.5 lakhs as such. This passenger had no earlier record, nothing was there about this person. It was a fresh case as such. So I would really attribute this to the efforts made by my subordinate officers during that day, the sharpness and the skill that they exhibited, and of course the support that our bosses have given us, my commissioner Mr. Manohar and my additional commissioner ma'am Kajalakshmi. So, and we hope to continue this activity and this anti-smuggling operation in a much more effective way.